Welcome to this video on nursery management and the production of quality planting materials. This is a look at the technology, demand, and a profitable business opportunity for farmers. Horticulture nurseries are crucial for producing quality planting material, utilizing advanced techniques like grafting and tissue culture. They increase tolerance to soil-borne diseases and adverse climates. High-tech nurseries offer a profitable transformation over traditional direct sowing. They provide 90% plus germination rates, uniform, strong, and disease-free plants, reducing seed costs and providing climate protection. Madhya Pradesh has a large and growing horticulture market. The national estimate for total fruit production in 2025 is 10,700,000 tons, with vegetable demand growing by 15% annually. The demand for planting material is significant, with a market in crores of plants. For fruits like banana and mango, the annual requirement is around 10.5 crore plants and 50 lakh grafted plants, respectively. There is a significant shortage of quality planting material in Indian horticulture, with only 30 to 40% of the total demand currently being met. This highlights a high-demand business opportunity in nurseries. The anatomy of a perfect seedling includes being disease-free, having a sturdy stem to withstand transplant shock, and an ideal root system that is not root-bound. Modern nursery infrastructure involves controlled environments like polyhouses and shade net houses, a scientific layout with raised beds, and certification under the National Horticulture Board. The plant propagation matrix contrasts sexual and asexual methods. Asexual propagation, like vegetative cloning, offers rapid yield and genetic uniformity, which is ideal for commercial horticulture. Advanced techniques for vegetable production use specific media and methods. Pro trays ensure 100% survival for tomatoes and capsicum, while raised beds save 40% of seeds for onions. The Pro Plug production cycle takes 25 to 30 days. It involves media preparation, precise sowing, germination in a chamber, and hardening the seedlings before transplanting. These images show the practical implementation of nursery infrastructure, including the setup of pro trays in a polyhouse, and the use of raised beds for optimal growth. The fruit crop matrix outlines specific propagation techniques. For instance, side and veneer grafting for mango in a polyhouse yields over 85% success, while tissue culture is essential for disease-free banana plants. A good plant needs a scientific balance in its growth. Key traits include a thick and strong stem, white and dense roots, the right age for transplanting, and being completely disease and pest-free. The triad of plant care covers three essential aspects: precise irrigation, balanced fertigation every 15 days, and integrated pest management using methods like yellow sticky traps for pest control. Proper irrigation is key to healthy growth, maintaining moisture without overwetting. Shown here is an automated overhead sprinkler system ensuring uniform water distribution across the nursery beds. Packaging and transportation are the final and most crucial steps. Poor logistics can ruin months of hard work. The video provides guidelines for vegetable seedlings and fruit plants to ensure safe transit. For vegetable seedlings, packaging involves using corrugated cartons and covering them with a wet sack for moisture. Transportation in temperature-controlled reefer vans is best, or travel only during cool morning or evening hours. For fruit plants, bare roots should be wrapped in wet hay or cocoa peat and placed in a poly bag. Always use a health card. Avoid high-speed air during transport to prevent desiccation, using covered trucks instead. These images illustrate proper packaging and handling. Seedlings are stacked neatly in crates for transport, minimizing damage and ensuring stability during movement. The economics of a 1,000 square meter nursery show a promising business model. The initial investment is approximately 2.5 lakh rupees, which covers infrastructure and initial supplies. With 5 cycles per year, the annual net profit ranges from 3.5 to 4 lakh rupees. This offers a stable and secure livelihood for a small family. The risk and mitigation matrix addresses common challenges. For technical deficiencies, continuous training through agricultural universities and Krishi Vigyan Kendras is recommended.